Hey everyone, I am here seemingly trapped at St. Patrick's Station, and it is Saturday, January 21st. The time is 5:35 p.m. I've been here for what feels like forever, but in reality it's been about 15 minutes or so. And there's been a lot of people abandoning waiting for the next train, as the platform was a lot busier than this about 5 minutes ago. And according to the TTC Alerts mobile website, trains are not stopping at St. Andrew due to flooding. And that's something I noticed on my way up. Our train bypassed St. Andrew. And I was actually hoping to hop on a train and record the scene at St. Andrew, as it was pretty wild. There's a lot of water dripping from the ceiling onto the platform. So I was hoping to roll the camera and get a peek at that, but it doesn't seem to be, as for some reason there seems to be no service. I haven't heard a train go in either direction. You can see there's people waiting on the northbound platform. That says trains every 4 minutes, but that's a bold-faced lie. So what I think I'm going to do is head on up to street level. I didn't quite make that announcement out. So if I'm not mistaken, I think he just said there's no service between Union and St. George. Well, that would have been nice to know before I went down to the platform and waited for 15 minutes or so. Good job on the announcements, TTC. All right, let's just head up to street level here. So this is the intersection of University Avenue and Dundas Street. And a view of the tower. I was just over in Chinatown, which is off to the west of here, recording a video for Lunar New Year. And I went back to St. Patrick, trying to hop on a southbound train and get a glimpse of the mayhem going on at St. Andrew. And I just would have stayed on that train as it went around the loop at Union and headed north up to Midtown. I think that streetcar might have honked at that guy on the e-scooter. So what I'm going to do is just walk west here, or rather east over to Dundas Station at Dundas Square, where I assume the subway will be operating. but given how dependable the TTC has been, that's hardly a given. So this is heading east on the north side of Dundas Street West through the Little Tokyo neighborhood. That's not going to be a very long walk, but it's still annoying. Looked like he might have been checking out the locks on those bikes. Maybe he was just admiring them. We'll give him the benefit of the doubt.
Back in the day.
Yeah.
And this is Bay Street. So once I walk the length of the Eaton Center over there, I'll be at Yonge and Dundas. So there is talk of the TTC cutting its service due to lowering ridership numbers and a budget deficit. And on top of that, they're going to be raising the fare 10 cents. And really, those are actions that will most likely lead to a downward spiral, slashing service and increasing the fare. It is ultimately just going to make the issue worse, as less people are going to opt for transit. And after enduring countless weekend shutdowns, especially on the Yonge side of Line 1, north of St. Clair, to install an automated signaling system, which was supposed to bring a higher frequency of trains and more reliability. That project is finally complete, and it looks like we're going to be greeted with a decrease in service. So what was the point of all that expense? And countless annoying weekends of wanting to head downtown and finding out that it is once again going to be a shuttle bus kind of weekend. Sorry if I'm in a bit of a negative, ranty mood. I just really wish the TTC knew how to communicate properly. Had they announced that there was no service between Union and St. George when I got there, I would have saved myself 15-20 minutes and just walked this way to begin with. Let me refresh their alert page here. It still says trains are not stopping at St. Andrew due to flooding. Someone's asleep at the wheel. They didn't update their in-station announcements or their website. Well, I have made it. I should still have a free transfer. I have to feel for the people that are no longer inside their 2-hour transfer window because of that service disruption. Trying to get my card out here. Free transfer. And it looks like a train just left the station and they do not have the next arrival on the screen here. Alright, not that you can hear it over the side of that train rumbling in, but there is not made an announcement that just said there is no service between Union and St. George on the other side of line 1. And if I update the service alerts, you wouldn't know it. All right, so let's hope a train rolls in here and I'll be on my way. Thanks for watching this short walk from St. Patrick over to Dundas, thanks to a very poorly communicated service outage on the TTC. What else is new? Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. And if you wish to support the channel, there's links to my Patreon and YouTube channel membership in the description. I have an Instagram account at Johnny Strides and a TikTok account there as well. Well, not at Instagram, but you get the idea. All right, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.
Line 1, towards Finch.
Io non so, ragazzo non ti lo